Maxi scooters are trending these days as recently Yamaha Aerox 155 was launched for the Indian market. Earlier there were only two maxi scooters, Suzuki Bergman and Aprilia's SR 160, which also comes in 125cc engine. BMW Motorrad is all set to bring its maxi scooter for the Indian market, BMW C400 GT. BMW C400 GT teaser video released. BMW C400 GT is a maxi scooter that will be launched very soon in India. With the arrival of the BMW C400 GT, we can see that more manufacturers have identified a market for maxi scooters in India. This means more two-wheeler manufacturers will be rolling out the maxi scooters in India sooner. The teaser video from BMW shows some design traits of the upcoming BMW C400 GT. The whole package will attract with its massive size and well-sculpted body panels. At the front, the all-LED headlamp setup dominates the front fascia, and just above the headlight is a large windscreen to deflect wind at triple-digit speeds. Moving on to the sides, the sheer surface area of the body panels and the large stepped seats dominate the visual experience, and it is very hard to focus on other things if the scooter is parked near. Moving on to the sides, the sheer surface area of the body panels and the large stepped seats dominate the visual experience. BMW C400 GT is available in three different colors: triple black, all point white, and Callisto grey metallic. Apart from that, the maxi scooter also gets golden brake calipers. The BMW C400 GT also gets a telescopic front fork and double aluminium swing arc type rear suspension with double spring struts. Apart from this, the upcoming BMW C400 GT is loaded with many features such as keyless ride, ride-by-wire technology, USB charging socket, self-calibrating ASC or TFT screen, large under-seat storage, and many more features. The TFT screen on the BMW C400 GT displays essential information like range, navigational direction, fuel consumption, and a few more. Powering this large maxi scooter is a powerful enough 350cc single-cylinder water-cooled petrol engine. This engine produces almost 34 bhp at 7500 rpm and 35 Nm of torque at 5750 rpm. Being a maxi scooter, the power and torque from the engine is sent to the rear wheels via a stepless CVT gearbox, and the maxi scooter has a top speed of approximately 140 km/h. Force Motors finally revealed the pricing of its new generation Force Gurkha, which was first showcased during the Auto Expo 2020. New Force Gurkha prices revealed. The new Force Gurkha is an all-new model with an updated chassis and more. Force Motors announced the pricing of the all-new Force Gurkha via a tweet from its official Twitter handle. According to the tweet, the all-new Force Gurkha pricing starts from Rs 13,59,000 ex-Showroom India, and the booking amount is set at Rs 25,000. The all-new Force Gurkha sports a new front and rear bumper, a new grille with the Gurkha logo instead of the company logo, new LED headlights, headlight surrounds, new tail lights, new body panels, and a new windscreen, and many more. The new Gurkha is completely revamped with new body panels all around. Take a closer look and it is easy to note that the new Gurkha is also longer, wider, and taller than the older model. Moving inside, the all-new Force Gurkha sports a completely new interior with 4 captain seats, though the interiors are an improvement over its predecessor. The all-new Force Gurkha also comes with features such as 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a part digital instrument console with an analog speedometer and a tachometer. The all-new Force Gurkha also comes with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, central locking, manual air conditioning, individual armrests, speed sensing door locks, follow me home headlights, and a few more. On the safety front, the all-new Force Gurkha comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensor, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, speed alert, one-touch lane change indicator, and few more. Powering the all-new Force Gurkha is a tried and tested 2.6-liter Mercedes-derived common rail direct injection turbocharged diesel engine. This engine is now BS6 compliant and produces 91 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. As standard, the all-new Force Gurkha comes with a 5-speed manual transmission with a hydraulically activated clutch booster for smooth gear changes. There is also a robust 4-wheel drive system with locking differentiation. So guys, do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about the pricing of the new Force Gurkha, and also do not forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. MG Motors India recently unveiled its next SUV for the Indian market, Aster. Aster is an SUV based on the MG ZS. It has been said that MG Aster will be launched in India sooner than it was supposed to. MG Aster to be launched in early October and will be available in 7 different trim levels. MG Aster will be entering the highly competitive SUV segment, where it will go up against the likes of Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Skoda Kodiaq, Volkswagen Taigo, and a few more SUVs.
Like other MGs, the upcoming Aster will be packed with many new features and technology along with the top safety features. According to the details given by MG Motor, the upcoming MG Aster will be offered in 7 different trim levels in total: Super, Smart Standard, Smart, Sharp Standard, Sharp, Savvy, and Savvy Red. The MG Aster will be offered with two engine options. The first engine option is a 1.5 litre naturally aspirated petrol unit with 108.5 bhp and 144 Nm of torque. This engine comes mated to either a 5-speed manual gearbox or a more sophisticated 8-speed CVT gearbox. The next engine is a turbocharged 1.3-litre petrol engine with 138 bhp and 220 Nm of torque. However, this engine will be solely mated to a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The MG Aster equipped with the more powerful 1.3-litre turbocharged engine cannot be configured with Super trim, and it will be available in Smart Standard, Smart, Sharp STD, Sharp, Savvy and Savvy Red trim levels. Whereas the 1.5-litre engine with the manual gearbox can only be had with 5 trim level options and cannot be with the Savvy or Savvy Red trim levels. The top-end MG Aster will come with advanced features such as AI Personal Assistant and ADAS, that is Advanced Driver Assistance System. MG Aster will be the first SUV in the segment to offer the ADAS system, and it will provide a safer driving experience due to Level 2 autonomous driving technology. MG Aster include a 360-degree surround view camera, a 10-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 7-inch digital driver's display, steering mounted controls, panoramic sunroof, PM 2.5 filter, intelligent headlamp control and many more. It is expected that MG Motors will price the Aster SUV aggressively with the starting price close to Rs 8 lakhs. Do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about MG Aster and its pricing. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. Tata Motors is all set to launch its micro SUV Punch in the Indian market, which has already created hype amongst SUV lovers. Tata Punch is loaded with features, and another noticeable feature customers would witness is Traction Pro mode. Tata Punch will get an automatic transmission and a dedicated Traction Pro mode for enhanced off-road ability. Tata Punch will get Traction Pro mode, which according to Tata Motors will prompt the driver to activate it when the vehicle senses that it is stuck in slush. Once the driver activates the Traction Pro mode, the feature will be enabled to guide the driver out of the situation. According to the pictures released, the design remains very true to the Tata HBX concept car revealed a year ago, and the production-ready Tata Punch looks bold and SUV-ish despite the smaller dimension. A major contributor to the SUV-like stance is the presence of a tall and upright front end. From a design perspective, the upcoming Tata Punch looks more like a compact Tata Harrier and looks very premium. On the inside, the Tata Punch sports a multi-layered dashboard-mounted infotainment, large rectangular air-con vents, decent boot space, diamond-cut alloy wheels, and many more. Tata Punch is a sub-4-meter SUV and positioned as a micro SUV. Apart from this, the upcoming Tata Punch is a tad smaller than the Tata Nexon SUV and will go up against the likes of the Maruti Suzuki Ignis and Mahindra KUV 100. Tata Punch is also the first SUV in Tata Motors' product portfolio to build on the Alpha Arc agile, light, flexible, advanced architecture platform. Tata Punch Micro SUV will get features such as semi-digital instrument console, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ERA connected car tech, multifunction steering wheel, automatic climate control, smart keyless entry, push button start-stop, power-operated ORVMs with auto folding, cruise control and many more. Tata Motors may offer the more powerful 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 108 bhp and 140 Nm of torque from the Tata Altroz.